world.
Have you ever noticed how many sounds surround us every day? From the chirping of birds to the rumble of cars, Earth is a noisy place. But have you ever wondered why? What about space? Movies make it seem like spaceships whoosh and planets explode with a bang. However, in reality, space is completely silent. Let's find out why. Sound is a type of energy that travels in waves. When something vibrates, it makes the tiny particles around it move back and forth. These vibrations travel through the air and reach our ears, which our brain interprets as sound. Imagine throwing a pebble into a pond. The pebble creates ripples that spread outward. Sound travels in a similar way, using air as its medium. Sound waves need something to travel through, like air, water, or even solids. These somethings are called mediums. Without a medium, sound waves have nothing to vibrate, which means they can't travel at all. Think about trying to have a conversation underwater. Your voice sounds different because the sound waves are traveling through water instead of air. Now imagine trying to talk in a place with no air at all. That's space. Space is a vacuum, which means it's completely empty. No air, no water, no stuff at all. And because sound needs a medium to travel, there's no sound in the vacuum of space. So, even though movies might show us noisy explosions in space, the truth is much quieter. The vast emptiness of space ensures a peaceful silence, making it a truly unique and awe-inspiring place.